Now 8th standard English. Children, this is unit 2, that is chapter 2, prose. Second lesson, hobby turns a successful career. Shall we start the exercises? Shall I say? Are you ready? Yeah. Section 1. Read and understand. A. True, say true or false. First one, Mani's hobby is playing cricket. Answer is false. Hobbies are unique to people. Answer is true. Third one, people have hobbies only to pass time. Answer is false. Now, B, choose the correct answer. Question number 1, Mani imagine a world with dash. Options they gave you, the correct option is magic and magicians. Question number 2, when Mani started writing things, he was unable to dash. Correct option is A, describe them accurately. Question number 3, Mani feels writing is like dash. Answer is A, painting the wall. Next, say true or false. Section 2. First one, Priya Garg is an artist. Answer is true. Second one, Asha Devi taught Priya the miniature painting. Answer is true. Third one, Priya displays 150 paintings. Answer is true. Fourth one, Priya was awarded by the Indian President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Answer is true. And next, answer the following questions. Question number 1, what was Priya gifted with? Answer, Priya was gifted with the skill of painting. Question number 2, how was he honored? He was honored by the Indian President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam with the National Award of Accomplishment. Question number 3, what is Priya's current goal? Priya's current goal was to re-energize the dying art of traditional miniature Indian paintings. Question number 4, is Priya's hobby become a successful career? How? Answer, yes. Priya's hobby has become a successful career because his work became popular all throughout India, the United States and the United Kingdom. He has also become the executive member of the Deaf and Dumb Association in Rajasthan. Next is section 3, A, fill in the blanks. Mani feels writing is like dash, painting the voice. Answer. Second one, Priya mastered the techniques of dash. Answer, preparing colors and brushes. Third one, Ilavadagi won her first match against dash. Answer is her father. Next, B, choose the correct synonyms for the italic words. Question number 1, writing is a unique hobby. Synonyms mean meanings. You know that. Okay. You have to write the correct meaning. Writing is a unique hobby. That is uncommon. Answer. Meaning. Question number 2, Priya started to paint happily. Happily. The meaning is joyfully. Okay. Question number 3, miniature paintings depict Indian culture. Correct answer is portray. Now choose the correct antonyms. Antonyms means opposites. For the italic words, you have to write the opposite word for this. Priya suffered an injury. Correct answer is endured. Question 2, Priya mastered the techniques of painting. Answer is unskilled. C, unskilled. Question 3, Ilavadagi won World Cup championship in dash. That is defeat. Anga 1 kuduthirukanga, so the opposite is defeat. D. Answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. Question 1. What happened to Priya at the age of 3? Priya suffered an injury at the age of 3. He was treated, but that treatment left him permanently deaf. Question 2. What did Asha Devi teach Priya? Answer. Asha Devi taught Priya the old and dying technique of traditional Indian miniature painting. Question number 3. Why writing is beneficial according to Mani? Answer. According to Mani, writing opens his mind to think beyond the little things with a broader mind. It makes him more passionate about his life and learn new things. Now answer the following questions in 100 words, that is paragraph answer. Question number 1. How did Priya's father find his son's talent? Answer. Priya Kumar Garg's childhood was going well until he suffered an injury at the age of 3. Priya was treated, but the treatment left him permanently deaf. His parents tried many hospitals to cure his disability, but it was useless. One day, his father bought him a paint set to play. Priya started painting happily on the walls and floors. He looked happy while using the paint set. Soon Priya's father realized that Priya was talented in painting. When Priya was 5 years, a court artist of Dholpur, Sri Swalai, was impressed with Priya's work. He took Priya with him and started training him. Question number 2. Write note on Ilavaragi. Question number 2. Write a note on Ilavaragi. Answer. Ilavaragi was one among the many to achieve the dream amidst all odds. Her father was a district level champion in Carom. He used to put her on the Carom board to listen to the sound of strikers and coins. Her father took her to the local clubs frequently. When Ilavaragi won her first match against her father, she gained confidence. This confidence led her to win the Asia Cup, SAR Cup and the World Championship. She won a lot of trophies. She won the 2000 Indian National Carom Championship and became a world champion in the women's singles. Her passion for Carom made her succeed in life. Now match the following compound words with and write them. Here they gave you the first word and second word. You have to match the words. Here in the first word you have match, air, blood, pop, sky, hair, book, chewing. Understand? So in the second word you have to match this. Match. Match nale ungalku theriyum. Yeah, somebody is saying matchbox. Second one. Airport. Very good. Blood bank. Fourth one. Popcorn. Fifth one. Sky blue. Very good. Sixth one. Haircut. Seventh one. Bookmark. And last one. Chewing gum. Now choose the best answer to make a compound word. Question number 1. Which can be placed after soft? So soft. Yeah, very good. Software. Correct answer, software. Question number 2. Which can be placed before light? Yeah, sun. Sunlight. Question number 3. Which can be placed after safe? Yeah, safeguard. Fourth one. Which can be placed after blue? Blueprint. Very good, children. You are saying the answers correctly. Which can be placed after water? Waterfall. Questions on passage. Now, the questions they gave you and you have to answer for that, okay? You learn the passage and correctly and you answer it. Question number 1. What is philately? Answer. Stamp collecting hobby is known as philately. Question number 2. What is numismatics? Answer. The hobby of collecting coins from different countries is known as numismatics. Question number 3. Do you know where the rarest and the most beautiful shells are found? Answer. The rarest and the most beautiful shells are found in the Indo-Pacific, Caribbean and Mediterranean regions. Question 4. Painting can help unleash your creative side. How? Answer. Painting allows you to tap into the thoughts, desires and feelings in your head and translate them into something beautiful. It relaxes the mind and helps us to focus better. Question number 5. What is your friend's hobby? How does it differ from yours? Discuss and write. Answer. My friend's hobby is web browsing. It is different from a hobby of gardening. His hobby is an amazing hobby. We can learn about things that are thousands of kilometers away with just a few clicks. We can also share all the wonderful information with our friends. Now it's a conversation between Manoj and Priya. A role play the conversation in the class. I'll read out now. Manoj is saying, "Hi Priya, how are you?" Priya is saying, "I am fine, and what about you?" Manoj, "I am fine too. What are you doing in this early morning?" Priya answering, "I am taking care of my garden. The garden is running to weeds." Manoj is saying, "Oh, what a wonderful garden it is." Priya, "It is beautiful as I work every day in it." Manoj, "Who helps you in your work?" Priya, "Myself have done this. It is my and who I have cultivated vegetables hobby." Manoj is saying, "Oh, that's nice. How long have you been doing this?" Priya is answering, "I have been doing this for," you have to continue. Understand? 3 years or 4 years or 2 years you can write. Manoj, "What vegetables are grown here?" Ajas, "Tomatoes, chilies, brinjals, lady's fingers and some greens." Manoj is saying, "Wonderful, you have a mini vegetable market here." Ajaj, "Of course, my mother uses these vegetables for cooking." Manoj is saying, "It's a very good idea." Priya is saying, "Yes, it is. You benefit a lot by this." Manoj, "It's good for our health because we don't use any chemicals here." Ajaj, "Exactly. Gardening also develops green atmosphere and the environment." Manoj, "It's interesting. Let me also do this." So you have to write in your own words this conversation. Okay, children? Now, develop the following hints. Here they gave you some hints. You have to develop it as a story. Okay? And after this, before that, you have to write the heading of the story. The heading should be given for the story, a separate mark for this heading. Yeah, from the childhood we learnt about the hare and the tortoise, the story of the tortoise and the hare. Adha inga kuduthirukanga. Understand? The hints. You have to elaborate. Okay? You have to develop the hints. Okay, we'll read it the answer. The tortoise, the heading is the tortoise and the hare. A tortoise and a hare lived in the forest. Once the hare saw a tortoise walking slowly with a heavy shell on his back. The hare laughed at the speed of the tortoise. The tortoise felt sad. The hare was very proud of himself and challenged the tortoise for a race. The tortoise agreed. They started the running race. The hare ran very fast, but the tortoise walked very slowly. The proud hare rested under a tree and soon slept off. But the tortoise walked slowly and steadily and reached the winning point. At last, the tortoise won the bet. Now, question number 2. Here also they gave you some hints. You have to develop it. The heading is Akbar and Birbal. Akbar was a great Mughal emperor. Birbal was his minister. He was a wise man and Akbar always praised his wit and intelligence. His courtiers were jealous of Birbal. One day, Akbar asked his courtiers to test Birbal's wiseness. A courtier puts a question to him. He asked him, how many crows were there in Agra? Birbal asked time for a week. Birbal used to sit on the terrace every day looking at the crows. After a week, the courtier asked him to tell the answer. He answered that there were 156,757 crows in Agra. He asked the courtier to check if he is right. Hearing this, the king laughed heartily, admiring his wit. Have you understand, children? It's funny, no? Yeah, because Birbal is a wise man in the court of Akbar. Okay, we'll see the next one. Question number 3. This is about the woodcutter and the axe. The woodcutter and the axe. Long ago, there lived a woodcutter in a small village. One day, while cutting wood, he dropped his axe in the pond. He tried hard to get it back, but he was unable to do so. He started weeping. An angel appeared before him and asked him what was the matter. She brought a golden axe from the pond and gave it to him. The woodcutter did not accept it. Next, she brought a silver axe and gave it to him. The woodcutter did not even accept this. At last, she brought him an iron axe and gave it to him. The woodcutter accepted that it was his axe. The angel was pleased with his honesty and offered all the 3 axes to him. Here, so we should not be, by this passage, we know that we should not be greedy. Understand, we should be honest in everything. Okay, children? Yeah. Now, grammar, degrees of comparison, fill in the blanks. Here they gave you 3 columns, positive, comparative and superlative. So if they gave you positive, you have to write comparative and superlative, vice versa. Okay. Here they gave you tall, comparative taller, superlative tallest. Superlative vandale EST varno, tallest. Comparative ER varno. That's all. Very easy, children. Okay. Smart, smarter, smartest. Large, larger, largest. Big, bigger, biggest. Late, later, latest. Or last. Let's compare 2 things. Question 1. Which is faster, a train or a plane? You say which one is faster? Very good. Plane is faster than a train. Okay. Which is cheaper, gold or silver? Silver is cheaper than gold. Very good, children. Which is larger, city or village? A city is larger than a village. Which is bigger, a sea or an ocean? Yeah, an ocean is bigger than a sea. Which is taller, a giraffe or a camel? A giraffe is taller than a camel. Let's compare 3 things. Here they gave you 3 words. You have to compare it. Okay. Question 1. Town, city, village. You have to use quite. Answer. A city is quite. Town is quieter than the city. The village is the quietest. So that is degrees of comparison. You have to compare positive, comparative and superlative. Okay, like that. Second one, Istanbul, Moscow, London. For that you have to use the word populated. Istanbul is populated. Moscow is more populated than Istanbul. London is the most populated. Okay, most is superlative. Understand? Question 3. Windy weather, warm weather, rainy weather. For this you have to use good. Windy weather is good. Warm weather is better than windy weather. Rainy weather is the best. Good kenna? Superlative is best. Okay. Question number 4. Ocean, river, lake. Deep you have to use. River is deep. Lake is deeper than the river. Ocean is the deepest. Very good. Fifth one. The USA, Russia, Spain. You have to use large word. Spain is a large country. The USA is a larger than Spain. Russia is the largest country. That's all. Over. Question number 6. The Mahanadi, the Kaveri and the Ganga. Long. The Kaveri is a long river. The Mahanadi is longer than the Kaveri. The Ganga is the longest river in the country. Question 7. Chennai, Hyderabad, Bengaluru. Modern you have to write. Chennai is a modern city. Hyderabad is more modern than Chennai. Bengaluru is the most modern city. Giraffe, horse, goat. Tall you have to use. Giraffe is the tallest animal. The horse is taller than a goat. Goat is not as tall as a horse. Okay. Question number 9. Elephant, cat, dog. Strong you have to write. An elephant is the strongest animal. A dog is stronger than a cat. A cat is not as strong as a dog. எப்படி கொடுத்தாலும் நீங்க எழுதணும். அவங்க positive கொடுத்தா நீங்க comparative, superlative. If they gave you the superlative, you have to write. Understand? Okay. Next. Question number 10. Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu and Rajasthan. Hot. Maharashtra is not as hot as Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is hotter than Maharashtra and Rajasthan is the hottest state. Okay children, in unit 2, the prose exercises is over. I gave you all the answers for that. Learn well, thorough it, prepare well for the quarterly examination and write well. All the best. Thank you.